How to fix Google Authenticator wrong code error on Android. Here's how to fix the wrong code error in Google Authenticator on Android step by step. Step 1, go to your Android settings and then to System and then to Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically are both turned on. Incorrect time is the most common cause of wrong codes. Step 2, open the Google Authenticator app and then tap the three dots. Go to Settings and then tap Time Correction for Codes. Then tap Sync Now. This will realign the app's internal time and fix mismatched codes. Step 3, if you have multiple codes in your app, double check that you're entering the code for the correct account or service. Step 4, you'll need to reconnect your 2FA with the website or service you're trying to log into. This often means scanning a new QR code from your account's security settings. Also, just an extra tip, if the issue still isn't fixed, try using a backup code or contact the support team of the service you're accessing for recovery help. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.